Ki khubor ka Bate si TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Lambak Kejela Conrad kisama hak pesantren gulu bayar pesan ulang bakarai ben pelong yak election Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council ya kepala pensange no nakadau ka jing persya iki wepat kijak ben rio ben shimenta on sashim Hadien balai selok shwa bat Nongïalam jangka council Menteri Lambak ulapan pau yak ni khisngi Hadien ba ulat Kejela UCH Vijaya Sankar Elekshon muhor yak ED rules jangka Hagaru Hills Autonomous District Council kabakadau kerpang batang ki badani kesernat Shirl tribe kila banyakon yak election.
We will see how it goes because again, it's not the state government. Please, I want to be very clear about things. Yes, as Chief Minister, we are there to always guide and always, give whatever thoughts from our side. But ultimately, the district council has to take a call. So, it's the district council is the autonomous body. So, hence, we will see and we will wait for the different decisions being made by the council. But we are in close touch with the leaders of the district council, the new CEM and the new EC. And based on discussion, we will see how to move forward. Again, I have been very clear that the law has to take its course. In that process, the police will always move on evidence and move as per the law. I am not in a position to really comment on that particular aspect. It is purely a police work. And it's not that I sit with them and go through the files in the investigation. It's a completely independent process. And so the concerned SP or the concerned DIG or the IG will be in a better position. You can always ask them about this. The Honorable Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, had spoken to me and written to me a few days back. The kind of incident that happened and the kind of situation that unfolded does require some kind of investigation to take place as to what led to the circumstances and who were involved in especially the section where violence took place and public property was damaged, private property was damaged. So those aspects do need to be looked into detail, but how and what kind of inquiry we are yet to examine because we of course all been busy with this particular situation. So in the days to come, we will take a call on that.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.